record on this computer. Okay. So I got my recording in progress, but let me adjust this, add some more stuff because I want to share screen with you because I've been sitting here, not trolling, but scrolling through Facebook, engaging with posts, and then what pops up. But let me pull up my Facebook so I can share this with you. Hopefully it'll put it right next to this launch meeting. Okay, it's scrolling. So what popped up while this is trying to come up, I'll tell you, and actually I can show you. You can't really see my cell phone, but if on my cell phone, you go to main face story, everybody else's story, then there's a post you may know in some way. So, and I'm looking at, I'm kind of dividing my friends. How can I have a conversation with somebody 20? Yeah, we're from different cultures. We're going to not have shit in comics. Maybe one thing, we're both online. So I'm looking at like my age, and then I'll open it up and I'll look at first thing that popped up, University of Minnesota, Twin Cities. I mean, okay, it's up on here now. So I'm going to scroll down. Okay, see, there's the creative story. There's what's on my mind. Here's stories from a couple of years ago. Oh, I don't know why it's not opening up. But I can still continue. That's not being, still got this bad boy right here. So I go into that people you may know. I click on a couple. This is his name of Will. He looked at his picture in the first, so I know he's into business. And then I am education. Cool. Scroll down more. Lives in Miami. Married. He's on Twitter. He's on Triumph Education, whatever that is. And see his. I love to go to the about info to see if they put it in Miami. Got a bunch of websites. Basic info. 1966 in common. So then I'll maybe look at some of the. Look at his friends. Check button. And well, but I recognize all friends, or you just go start looking. And I've been burned by this. We were posted because more on Facebook. So April 8th was last March 31st. Okay, March 24th, March 8th, but he's putting out educational information, stuff like that. So this guy's going to be a good possible friend. So then I'm going in here, and I'm not adding his friend. I'm just going to a message saying, "Hey Will, Facebook recommends us because I'd say Facebook recommends us be friends. I see you like to do business. I see you like online business. Online business. Also, I do too. And then I'm just adding, want to be friends. Make sure you go back and try to correct your typos. I know we're all human, and if you look like you're too anal, I'd reject you. But if you can catch it, catch it. So then I send that. And I've been doing that just the last couple hours, and I haven't checked. Let me see. I got friend requests. See if I can move myself. I see all friend requests. Let me see if I've gotten people. So I only got one on my screen. It's a lot easier to show you on the big screen. Your notifications. It's not lit, so Facebook is different. That's why I'm faster on my phone, except for typing. When I want to do video like this or emails, I will jump on my desktop. And I'm going to check my phone. Let's see. I'm going to refresh. Clear. So I don't have any notifications, but like I said, I've just been doing this for the last hour or so, and I haven't got responses yet because it is a Saturday, and don't expect people to be sitting online on their phone constantly, especially my generation, because we're not going to sit here and do this all day. We're not, this hasn't been our entire life. We can remember when this stuff did not exist, and you'd be on the one telephone that you have in the household, and it was dial. I don't know. You millennials probably don't even know what a touch tone phone is or a dial phone. Ask your parents or your grandparents. But anyway, that's what I've been doing today. And I just want to pop on and share this as pretty good little training thing when people like, they don't know how to get friends and they feel goofy, just complete strangers. When Facebook tells you who you might have stuff in common with, just look, do the research, look at it. I've come across so many people from my high school that I didn't know, but I have something in common with them. So now I can get to know them. So just a quick little tidbit training from TJ from New Mexico. If you dig it, subscribe to my page. I'm going to put this on YouTube. I'll share it on Facebook and all the other places. So y'all have a good day and happy Mother's Day. And speaking of Mother's Day, for all you husbands or sons, that I'm taking some pre-orders on some pretty cool Mother's Day stuff today, only today. Walk me through it because I don't know how to do pre-orders, and hopefully somebody's listening that can understand where I'm coming from, and some pretty cool gifts with gift specials for Mother's Day. So just reach out to me, TJ from New Mexico, on here on Facebook, and we'll see if I can save your ass. Goodbye for now. And